Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you getting notifications when approvals are needed to add others to media in Meta AI? You can turn them off in just a few simple steps. This is useful if you want fewer notifications and a more focused, less distracting experience. Let me show you how. First, open the Meta AI app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then tap the settings icon. Scroll down and tap notifications. Next, open following and followers. Here, you will find the option approvals to add others to media. If the toggle is enabled, Meta AI will send notifications when approval is needed to add others to media. To stop these alerts, simply turn the toggle off. Once disabled, you will no longer receive these notifications. This helps reduce unnecessary alerts and keeps your app experience cleaner. And that's how to turn off media approval notifications in Meta AI on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.